Hello and welcome back to EkhlasOPedia. We are back with part 6 of the cricket score analysis, and today we are going to touch base on summation. We will look at sum and subtotal. Well, it's very simple to get the sum of a particular column. Let's see the number of innings. I can just click on the place where I need to get the sum. That is the cell number over here. I will add is equal to sum. Open the bracket and add the array from K2 to K15 and I will get the sum. Very easy. Well, I can also get the sum by just copying in the array, an extra cell where I need the total, go to the Autosum option. There you go. You can see the sum over here as 2338. The formula remains the same. Sum, open bracket, array L2 to L15, close the bracket. Now let us look at one more option, that is subtotal. So what I will do is I will add another column here and I will copy the same details what I have over here for the runs. So I want to actually show you the difference between the second way that we are calculating, that is sum of the that's, you can see the catch. I clicked on copy, but it's copied something else because the formula is here and I've copied a formula and not the value. So I will show you this again. I will again copy the complete array from L2 to L15, go back to M2, click on paste special. You can see 1, 2, 3, that is a value. And yes, I want to click the value over here. So I've got the value of this. And now I'm going to calculate the same particular thing with subtotal. I will use the subtotal function is equal to subtotal, open the bracket. I can get all these options, average, count, counter, maximum, minimum, and so on, but I need the sum. So I need to click on 9. Well, I clicked on 9 and then I will choose after the comma 9 comma and then I will choose the complete array, that is from M2 to M15. Well, it gives me the same answer, 2338. So that's how I got this through subtotal, and I've got 2338 with the sum. I've got two small shortcuts which I've got to get the subtotal. So let me delete it and show you the shortcuts. I click on Alt H and I will get the home tab open. You can see all the shortcuts coming up. I want to see the Autosum. I click on U and then I will click on S. So there you go. The subtotal formula comes in again. Subtotal, open bracket, 109 in the shortcut formula. Instead of 9, it gives 109. And then the array M2 to M15. Well, yes, I took some time to do it, but if I just do Alt H U S, I'll get it. One more shortcut to get the subtotal is very easy, which you can use for sum also. It is Alt equal to. There you go. Alt equal to also gives me the same answer, 2338. I've got the sum. The summation is done by the sum formula and also by the subtotal formula. Let us see what's the difference between both of them. I will choose some players. Yes, I need to add overall because that's my total which I want to see. I will add Gautam Gambhir only and click on OK. So you can see here, Gautam Gambhir has made 393 runs. So my total now is 393, but the sum still shows me 2338. That is the sum of the full array. But subtotal will show me what I've selected. So in this case, I've selected Gautam Gambhir. So it is showing me the subtotal of only Gautam Gambhir. Let me add Dhoni also here and also Sachin Tendulkar. Let us see. Now here, overall total, again for the sum, it shows me 2338, whereas in the subtotal, it gives me the values of Gautam Gambhir plus Sachin Tendulkar plus MS Dhoni. So that is the difference between sum and subtotal. Hope you understood this formula. It's very simple. Let me just delete this column and add this to the other parts. So here, there you go. I'll copy this formula and add it to all the columns. Yes, but this is not right for the strike rate, because strike rate is not a summation. It has to be the strike rate, and same for the average. So here strike rate is nothing but the number of runs made divided by balls faced multiplied by 100. So the overall strike rate for Indian batsmen was 91.19, and the average rate was 37.71. That is the batting average. So we've learned sum, subtotal. Of course, sum also has got average, maximum, minimum. Same way, subtotal has got all these options. I'm sure you've learned something today. Thank you very much. Please click on like, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of my video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.